Do you have an apple beside you? It's apple face, it's apple face, it's apple face. Hi, fellers. Welcome to Apple Face, Season 3, Episode 7. Today in this video, I'm wearing a nice jacket from my uncle. And it's very nice, actually. You can't see the full of it because, duh, you're not here. But I'm guessing you know why I have my jacket on. It's because we're going outside, obviously. I gotta show you something outside that, you know, happens sometimes. Can you guess what it is? It happens sometimes. You just see it in your yard and you're like, wow, that's kind of disgusting. I'm gonna go put my shoes on and then I'll be right with you outside. Okay, fellers, we're outside. I'm about to show you the most disgustingest thing you'll ever see. Not the most disgusting thing you'll ever see. Pretty nasty, though. Alright. If I can get the camera angle right. This... Where is it? I don't know where it is. This right here. That is a dead bird. And it was just sitting there. And I was like, wow, how nastier can that get? Oh, and there's my dog. Let me. Hey, Layla. Why don't you say hello to YouTube? No, my finger's in the way like always. I might be stepping on crap, who knows? I'm not touching those rocks because harm me was throwing rocks at it. My bad. But I'm gonna show you how nasty this is. I'm just kidding. It's not. I'm not. But hold on. Whew. Some nasty crap. There. Whew. I ain't touching that thing. You get diseases from dead birds. Matter of fact, I'm gonna wash my hands now. My finger might have slipped and I might have touched the bird. But by the way, folks, Dylan Hall might be getting into this, that bird disease. 1 second, guys. Jesus. Okay, that's better. Oh, and because I kind of got sick, I had to take prescripted medicine from for Dylan Hall. They're they're big pills, actually, huge, if you ask me. And I have to swallow them. Isn't that crazy? I actually have to take one tonight. But for now, we can enjoy a nice Richard Refox caffeine-free Coke. Listen to this. Oh. It's a fan up there. Pretty dope. Wow. Fellers, it's been nice. It's been great. It's been a great appreciate. Just made that up. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna wrap it up too. That's what it means. Hope you guys enjoyed the bird exploration. Okay, cannot pronounce that word right. But I'm gonna end this video here. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys, fellers, women, little girls, little boys. In the meantime.